Hey friends, welcome to this fifth assignment, and we are so much excited that you have completed all four assignments, and that was the basic thing. Now we are playing a big game here, and this is the serious one. Just to make sure that you are really focused and having the appropriate guidance for your career, let's attempt this career test. And this is a sort of find your own path thing, and this is the normal Google form test what we need to attempt. And the scores will be coming towards the experts, and they will be giving you the replies after screening your whole test scores. So first and foremost thing, let's jump into the instructions. So you need to be relaxed, and authenticity really matters. And once your test is completed in the Google form, you are expected to come again in the classroom and hit that mark as done button. Then we will be notified that you have already attempted that career test. Unless and until you are hitting that button, your test scores will not be visible as the comment for you. So just attempt that Google form test, come back to the classroom and hit that we have already done this thing. No marks for this assignment, but this is quite crucial, and which is linked with your technical and non-technical skills and will helpful for them to analyze your profile well. So this is the serious game, and I definitely recommend you to give this more honestly. In case you have any doubts, please don't attempt that or don't press the submit button. The good news is you can attempt this career test twice in case needed. Okay, if you are a little bit confused whether to go with the marketing or the finance or anything else you want to try out with the your career, you can take my help. I do hold that experience, and I will definitely guide you for your career. So don't worry about that. If you are very much confident about your career choices, you can just hit the submit button. And all the best for this assignment.